Greek coffee, which I think many people also know as Turkish coffee, is a style of coffee preparation. So unlike the way we typically make coffee as drip coffee or maybe in a French press, this is finely ground coffee that is put in a special pot called a briquet, and it's boiled until it foams. It's poured into a small cup. The grounds are allowed to settle, and it is sipped slowly. The flavor of Greek coffee or Turkish coffee, which is the same thing, is very intense. Because of the method of preparation, the amount of coffee used per ounce, and the fineness of the grind, you get a very, very strong tasting cup. For some people, it's a little bit too intense and too bitter. I really like the flavor of Greek coffee, though.